Welcome to the 3D pen den. You might be wondering how to get from random 3D pen scribbles to smooth, solid surfaces, colored just the way you want, perfectly customized and ready to use in your 3D pen project. Let's start with something easy, like stripes. Let's move from the basic black and white to some fun color mixing. The two sides come out quite different, depending on which color goes on first and which last. And even though the colors merge into a solid, smooth sheet with heat, the difference between the sides remains still very distinct. Which means we don't have to make two sheets to make stripes, but just use the two sides of the same sheet, as you will see shortly. Also, keep in mind that every sheet will be one of a kind, depending on how densely you put down each color and in what order. So make enough similar ones to be able to finish your intended project. Then just simply cut your veneer sheet and flip the alternate stripes. Now we have both sides of the sheet the same. Making a checkerboard from this point, you could just cut and flip your stripes like we did with the black and white one. But I had some random cut-offs from trimming the original sheet, so I'm trying to see if I have enough of this color material left to make a lid for my box. Since I'm working with pretty small pieces, I want to make sure they don't slide apart when I iron them together. So that's why I'm making one line black fence with my pen around the whole shape to keep the little pieces in place. Fortunately, the filament sticks quite happily to the Teflon sheets. I am not sure if I have enough leftovers to make a square big enough for the box lid, but if it doesn't quite make it, I will just improvise and add some black trim around the edges. And here we go! Another way to make stripes is straight from the filament. Let's try diagonal stripes this time. wondering how to assemble these boxes, here are the step-by-step videos on how to get there, plus a video on the details of the ironing process, should you need to know more. So good luck and go and make something.